Yay! Yay! All right, the face. Okay, so this one just has, you know, it's all just kind of pretty much flat and painted on. I want to make it a little bit more dimensional, so I want to take 2 smaller balls of white. Make sure they're about the same size. And we need a little bit of water here. And we're going to put these on right up here. So we need a little bit of water. And I'll pick these up and actually put the water right here. Now if you're doing this cake in buttercream, you'd have to have the ears kind of cut, just probably flopping down. You might be able to do it with the skewer. I'd just be a little worried about transporting the fondant ears with the buttercream. You could put them on, if you're transporting it, you could put the ears on once you get to your location. But as far as this, you would just use like a 10 or 12 tip and squeeze buttercream balls right there. Okay, so then we need a nose. So we'll take some of our pink. And I'm going to roll just into a ball. That one's a little bit more of a triangle shape. Let's see if that'll look okay. Yeah. So we'll just pop that on. Okay. And then the next step would be eyes. So we need a little bit of black fondant. So we need, this is smaller than a pea. Just need to kind of get 2 about the same size. Okay, it's not sticking. It's sticking to my finger and not to the cake, so I need a little bit of water on the back. Pop that on. Okay, there's a little bit of black right there from the fondant, so I can just kind of brush that away. All right, we can take the back of a paintbrush now and just make little dots in the cheeks. Okay, and then I want to take a little bit more of this cotton candy and put a little bit right here, a little bit on here. And then I've got black buttercream in a bag with a tip number 1. And I'll do a little bit of an eyebrow over the top. So I'll squeeze, move the tip in an arch, stop squeezing and pull it away. Okay. Okay, so now what do we need? We need a little bit of a tongue there hanging down. So let's just take some of the black buttercream, and right underneath here, we'll just do a little bit of buttercream under there. Okay, now it would be great if you had some of the shoestring licorice, but it's really hard to find. If you have some, you could just stick like 3 little pieces of the shoestring licorice in there, the black. Or you can just take some spaghetti like I'm going to do, and just take probably 3 pieces on each side.